He's installing the stovepipe.
Off.
No, that's not funny.
Oh. No, I'm installing a insulated pipe so that our little wood stove will produce heat without smoking us out.
What are you doing with that rope? So scary. All I can think of is Martin Johnson saying that Safety Sally would not approve of this. Even though it's tied off on the other side, I don't think Safety Sally would approve. Oh man, you're making me nervous. Okay, that thing is tied off, but he's not. I don't know how that's supposed to work on a ridged roof. We're lighting the mini-me. Did you put like a handful of wood chips in it?
No. Just kindling. Little sticks.
Okay.
Now it's gonna start rumbling. Hear it? Hear the rumble?
No. But it's exciting.
And I want to go out and see the smoke because it goes all the way through now. To the roof. Through the roof.
Except it's dark. I'm not gonna be able to tell.
There we go.
Okay, it's exciting. We have the little mini-me going. All right, it is burning. The fan is turning. So, how this stove works, let's see if I can show you. I don't know if it'll... Okay, so there is this pipe right here, and you drop a log down into it, and it sits right there and burns. And so this stove will burn over 8 hours with 2 presto logs. And so this has only been going about 5 minutes, and we definitely already feel the heat. It's so awesome. We're so happy. I am so excited. We have a working wood stove. Now we just have to finish this room. Yay! We're gonna be so toasty warm in the middle of winter in our teeny tiny house. Stay tuned to see how the rest of winter fares.